Today we'll see soil erosion and conservation. How soil formed? Formation of the soil.
Formation of soil. Soil is formed by the weathering and breaking of rocks. The wind, water, and living beings cause the rocks to break. Due to cooling, heating, and drying, the rocks crack and break up into small pieces to form soil. The process of soil formation is slow, long, and a continuous process.
Next, after that, components of soil. What are the components of soil? Compositions of soil. Sorry. What is soil composed of?
Composition of soil. Soil is made up of the following things: gravel, sand, and clay particles, minerals, humus, dead plant, and animal remains.
Humus means dead plant and animal remains.
Some tiny living organisms such as bacteria and fungi. Water, air.
Air. Soil profile. See. What are the soil profiles?
Topsoil, subsoil, bedrock.
Next, topsoil,
Subsoil,
bedrock. Now this is composition of soil.
Humus, water, clay, sand, gravel.
What is soil erosion?
The topsoil is
the top layer of the
the soil is fertile, soft, and light. The removal of the topsoil by wind or flowing water is called soil erosion.
What are the agents of soil erosion?
Agents of soil erosion: wind, water.
Water.
Deforestation, overgrazing.
What is soil conservation?
Soil conservation. Soil erosion makes the soil lose its fertility. This leads to a fall in crop production. Therefore, farmers have to find ways to prevent soil erosion. Protecting the soil from being blown or washed away is called soil conservation.
Protecting and what is soil conservation?
Protecting and being blown or washed away is called soil conservation.
What to protect us? Protecting the soil from being blown or washed away is called soil conservation. The various ways in which soil can be protected from erosion, or how can we conserve soil? How can we conserve the soil? This is a question for this. How can we conserve the soil?
Forestation, cover crop,
yes,
terrace farming in the hilly areas, dams and river embankments, shelter belt, not allow the animals to graze in the same field continuously.
These are the ways we can prevent the soil erosion. These are the following methods to conserve the soil or to prevent the soil erosion. One more question. What is overgrazing? This is the overgrazing. What is overgrazing?
The grazing animals like cows, sheep, goats, etc. eat grass. When these animals graze on the same piece of land year after year, the grass cover gets destroyed. Thus, the top layer of the soil gets exposed and can be carried away by wind or running water. To prevent the top layer exposed. We should not allow the animals to graze in the same field continuously for a long period.
How does terrace farming prevent soil erosion? Here is the answer. Terrace farming
Terrace farming should be done in the hilly
hilly
areas.
areas
Soil eroded from
from
one
one
step get deposited on the next. This reduces the soil erosion.
tick the correct option.
The uppermost most layer of the earth is called gravel, humus, soil, sand. Soil. Which one is not an agent of soil erosion? Wind, water, microorganism, overgrazing. Microorganism. The layer below the topsoil is called soil profile, subsoil, bedrock, none of these. Subsoil. Which one is not a way to conserve soil? Planting trees in row, building dams, terrace farming, deforestation. Deforestation.
All these question and answers already we have covered. Now this is true or false.
Plants get their water and minerals, nutrients from the soil. True. The quality of soil is an asset of a nation. True. Topsoil is the layer below the subsoil. False. Bedrock has large pieces of rocks. True. The subsoil layer of the soil is fertile, soft and light. False. Terrace farming should be done in the hilly areas. True.
So this is the chapter we have learned soil erosion and conservation.